Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so that every informative video reaches you first. So now let's go to the screen and start our full video. Yes, you can join these online earning sites to make money online. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness and profitability of these sites can vary for each individual. Here is a brief overview of each site you mentioned. 1. Neobucks. Neobucks is a popular platform where you can earn money by taking surveys, completing tasks, viewing advertisements, and playing games. It offers a range of earning opportunities and provides a fast payout system. 2. 2Capture. 2Capture is a website that pays you for solving captchas. It is a simple and straightforward way to earn money, but the earnings may not be significant. 3. Timebucks. Timebucks offers various tasks such as posting on TikTok, viewing slideshows, playing games, installing apps, completing captchas, and answering surveys. It provides multiple ways to earn money, and the payout rates can vary depending on the task. 4. TimeWall. There is limited information available about TimeWall. It's recommended to research and gather more information before joining this platform to ensure its legitimacy and profitability. 5. Coinbayou. Coinbayou is a platform that allows you to earn Bitcoin by viewing advertisements and completing various tasks. It provides a user-friendly interface and offers multiple earning opportunities. 6. Freecash. It seems that Freecash may refer to multiple platforms or applications. Without specific details, it's difficult to provide an accurate assessment. It's advisable to research and verify the legitimacy and profitability of the specific platform you are referring to. 7. Remotask. Remotask is a platform where you can earn money by completing various tasks. It offers a wide range of tasks and provides free online training through boot camps. While these sites can offer opportunities to earn money online, it's important to approach them with realistic expectations. Earnings can vary based on factors such as the time and effort you invest, the availability of tasks, and the specific earning mechanisms of each platform. It's always a good idea to do thorough research, read reviews, and assess the credibility of these platforms before joining them. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe the channel.